Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two remote desktop platform, which is TeamViewer and Splashtop, to help you decide which of these would be a better option for you. So to get started with the analysis, TeamViewer in 2025 is still one of the most well-known remote desktop tools, offering a fast connection, multi-platform support, and advanced features like file sharing, remote printing, and section recording. It's ideal for large teams or business needing end-to-end and security. However, it's ideal for large team or business needing a high-end tools and security. However, its pricing remain high, especially for small business or casual users, and some user reports occasional lag. Splashtop, while has gained a popularity for being affordable, fast, and reliable, especially for individuals, educators, and small teams, it supports high-quality videos and audio streaming, easy file access, and a solid mobile app. While it doesn't have many enterprise-level features as TeamViewer, it's much more cost-effective for day-to-day remote access. So, in conclusion, choose TeamViewer if you need enterprise users and a global support, and go with Splashtop if you want a budget-friendly and smooth and a simple remote desktop experience. And that's it.